Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To install an older iOS update, first ensure that Apple is still signing the version you wish to downgrade to. Download the appropriate IPSW file for your device from a reputable source. Next, connect your device to your computer and open iTunes or Finder on macOS Catalina and later. Put your device into DFU mode. On iTunes or Finder, hold the Option, Mac, or Shift, Windows, key and click Restore iPhone. Select the downloaded IPSW file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Remember, this process will erase your device, so back up your data first.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.